Step into the 2007 Volkswagen Jetta sedan. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear head airbag, daytime running lights, heated mirrors, driver airbag, passenger airbag, 4-wheel ABS, rear defrost, and CD changer. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.